In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this attractive CGI ad to get clients. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is to open FSPY, then you're going to take a screenshot of your video, which is going to be in the description below. After you took a screenshot, you're going to do exactly like this. There should be two vanishing points. The first one is Z and the second one is Y. This green line is the y-axis, and the two blue lines are the, the z-axis. So you're going uh, you're going to put the blue line in the direction of the z-axis and the green line on the direction of the y-axis, and make sure to be as precise as possible to avoid problems while making the video inside of Blender. So we're gonna tweak these lines until it fits the building which is in the middle. And you're gonna move the X, Y, and Z lines uh, in this location, which acts as a 3D cursor in Blender. Don't forget to press Ctrl S to save your project. Save it in any location you like and name it as you like. After that, you're going to open Blender and you're gonna start a new project. Name it as you like. You're gonna have a cube and a camera and a light. Press A to select all, X to delete them. Hover your mouse wheel to File, Import, FSPY, which is an add-on which is in Blender. You're gonna search for the screenshot you've taken, and ta-da! Edit preferences. This is how you're going to install the add-on to import your screenshot. Press Shift A and add a plane. R to rotate it on the Y axis, G then Z to move it on the Z axis. Move it until it fits the building. Press tab on your keyboard to enter edit mode. Select the edge on the right and extrude it. Hold Alt and move these two edges on the Z axis. After, after that, you're gonna select the edge on the right, move it on the Y axis, and then extrude it on the Z axis. Make sure it fits the building. Select the vertex on the top right corner and move it on the top. Select this edge and press Ctrl B to bevel. You can increase the segments of your bevel by hovering up your mouse wheel. Tweak this vertex on the right corner. You're gonna hold the cursor of your mouse and rotate it in order to get out of the camera view. Press 0 to enter camera view again. Select the top edge, A to extrude on the Z axis. You have to press Z. Same for the bottom. E, then Z to extrude it on the Z axis. Select this vertex. You have to press 1 but not on the number pad to enter vertex select mode, E to extrude while holding Ctrl, and hover the mouse on the opposing vertex to snap it. Same for the vertex on the left bottom. Have to fill the top face. Same for the bottom face. Press 2 to enter edge mode. Have to fill to make it a face. And that's it. You're going to press 3 on the number pad to enable face selection. Hold Alt and to select a group of faces. Then you're going to hold left click and hover your mouse over the mouse in order to deselect these faces. This face also. Then press 0 on the number pad to enter camera view again. Press P on your keyboard to separate by selection. Then you're gonna name it screen. Then select the screen and hide it by pressing H on your keyboard. Select the building. Then press tab on your keyboard to enter edit mode. Select these faces and the face on the left also. I'm sorry guys, I messed up. Select these faces and these faces also. And you're going to add a new material by pressing the plus icon, new, and click assign to make a color for these parts. Select these faces and make sure it is green. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss anything. After you've selected these faces, add a new material and switch the color to green and click the assign button, which is on the left, and you're going to extrude it up a little bit on the z-axis. Same for the bottom, you're gonna extrude it on the z-axis. I don't know what is this. Some things happen on the laptop which are so strange. You're gonna tab into edit mode again, select the edge on the bottom and move it on the z-axis. Then select the screen. I'm gonna add a new material. Same for the building. And we're gonna change the material to hold out. Then you're gonna hover the mouse wheel on the top left corner. Then you're gonna switch it to shader editor. Then you're going to delete the principled BSDF. And then you're gonna add a glass material by pressing the space bar. Search glass BSDF. Then connect it to the material output. The roughness should be 0 because it's a glass, of course. Then the render engine should be cycles. GPU compute to render faster. Max samples should be 50 or any number you want. Noise threshold should be 0.1 to render faster. And make the room. You can play with the roughness as you want. Make the tweaks you like. But I like it not not so rough. Don't forget to press Ctrl S to save what you're doing. Then you're gonna go to the World tab, press Color, and select Environment Texture. Click Open, and you're gonna add an HDRI, which is going to be in the description box below. HDRI is named Autumn Pure Sky, I think. Then you're gonna switch to render preview to see the results. Unhide the screen. Then we're gonna add a glass material using Blender Kit. I'm going to select this glass material. I think it's really good for me. Then hold Shift S and select cursor to selected. We're going to add a light to give the room some light. Then you're gonna rotate the light on the Z axis 90 degrees. G then Z to move it on the Z axis. The room needs to be exposed to some source of light. Rotate it until you get the look you're looking for. So, uh, play with the power as you want. I'm gonna go for 30 watt. Then I'm gonna play with the IOR, make some tweaks to see what is better for me. I think too it's good. The material is good. It's so realistic. It's better to move the light as close as possible to the room because I like the room to be exposed to as much light as possible, which is going to give it a nice look. Then after you've finished tweaking the light, uh, you can like this video and stay tuned for part 2 of this tutorial. And thanks guys for watching.